कि सिर्फ एक रन आया बैट से. Extras आए. She's not a professional cricketer, but the way she maintained the momentum, I think that was commendable. Can we have a big hand for India? Well done. बहुत अच्छा bowling था. Moving on to the next team, legends, Leela Legends played really good, but unfortunately, not a day for us. But I know you guys are great cricketers, so we're going to be having the best one soon. Okay, with this, may I request our, the one who's going to be giving the souvenirs to our winners. Let's give a big hand for Renuka ma'am, everybody. Can we have a big hand for her? Please. Okay, well, at the end, it really became very unpredictable for me to get the winner out of this. But then finally, we have the winner now. And the winner is Team Clean Max! May I request the captain to please join us here? And please collect the memento, I called him to talk something about this match, this particular. I'm so sorry, my bad, bro. Can we please on the speaker? I don't know what's happening with this. Can we please on the speaker, bro? How was it for you? I mean, the first match, जहाँ पर last year आप छोड़े थे, वहीं पे you started.
No, actually we were under pressure even. So I'm sure that Leela must have been under pressure. So yes, we in middle of the game we changed the momentum, and when Ratik came for the batting, he hit some 2-3 sixes. So yes, like we'll go with the same strategy, same energy.
Shiva sir, can you please join us here for a minute? Yeah. So how did you this game?
Clean Max has always been amazing. I should not be even saying anything otherwise. Since the time I joined the group, they've just been smashing it across.
Of course, and I really like the way Ratik. Where is Ratik, man? क्या गेम खेला यार? Sixer, sixer, sixer. क्या चल रहा था भाई दिमाग में? Please come here. What was going in your brain, my man?
टीम को जिताना था बस.
यार पता है मैंने बुला ही लिया है player of the match. Yeah, well, it's Jahir. Can we have a big hand, Ratik, everybody? Yeah, please. Thank you, Renuka ma'am. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Ratik. Well played. Thank you. And that is it from this presentation. Moving on to the next match. मजा आ रहा है यहाँ क्या देख रहे हो वहाँ चलो फटाफट. Over to the com box.
Thank you very much. That was a good batting performance in the first match by Ratik. And now coming back in the second match. Already started. Altus taking over Digital Connection. News from the center. Digital Connection won the toss, selected to field first. And the center Altus to bat. One was gone, it's 4 for no loss. A good start from Harshad. We are the opening pair. Gaurav and Kalpesh batting. सभी का एक बार जोरदार स्वागत है आज के इस क्रिकेट का गेम अजब गजब गेम. ब्रुकफील्ड प्रीमियर लीग 2025 सीजन 5 का आगमन ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. फर्स्ट मैच is a victory for Clean Max and a second match is on. Sanjog is a bowler. Will bowl the second over. Short pitch ball. Now Kalpesh on strike. That's gone high in the air. Chance for the catch. Oh, that's good. Very well tried by the fielder. We'll come back for two. They're looking for 3. How many runs taken? That's very good running within the wickets. 2 runs taken. 6 on the board. Team Altus. Oh, that's good bowling. Bowling the fuller one. Here you can see the action replay. And completely missed it. Swing and a miss for Kalpesh. That's good comeback from Sanjog. A bit of shuffling here and there, batsman, but finally decided to play the covers. Only a single this time. That's a very good start. Also from Sanjog. Harshad considered only 4 runs in the first over. This time going back foot and playing smartly to the square leg region. Only a single. दो ओवर के समाप्ति के बाद team holds 9 runs on the board. Let's see now. Need some big hittings, need some maximums. And let's see what Gaurav and Kalpesh already have got an idea. That 2 overs already, 9 on the board now. It's time for something special coming up in the 3rd over. We have Mandar in the bowling attack. और this left arm round to wicket just so the fielder. और ये देखिए मौका मिला और एक रन चुराया 2 रन यहां पे लिए है अच्छी रन between the wickets. That's a good strategy. The bowling, the left arm bowling attack, bowling right arm, left arm round the wicket. That's a good strike, high in the air, miles in the air. And how many runs? 2 runs. That's a signal of 2 runs. Arm, left arm round the wicket. That's a good strike, high in the air, miles in the air. So if the spectators are watching live, the 6 is, if you play straight, long off, long on over, you'll get a 6 and 4 runs. And onside, offside, there's some other, as per the rule book, single run, double run declared. So different strategy, different game, different format. वो कहते हैं हमारे यहाँ ऐसा ही होता है. 14 for no loss. Oh, that's very good bowling into the block hole. Excellent delivery. Good stuff from Mandar. You can see the action replay on the big screen. Looking to flick to the square leg, but didn't get the connection. Just conceded 5 runs. That's a very good start by the team. Digital connection. In the air, 1 bounce to the fielder at long off. अच्छी शुरुआत यहाँ पर team digital connection. Last ball coming up of the 3rd, 15 for no loss. Short pitch ball and being smashed. Chance, chance, chance. Good effort. Excellent effort there. Excellent effort. Great athleticism by the batter, also by the bowler. That is what cricket is called for. The pure dedication and power on the field. 3 ओवर के बाद 17 रन. अब किसको होगा खतरा? Three was gone, 17 on the board. The first over of this innings was conceded 4 runs. The second over 5 runs, and the previous over got 8 runs. And who will going to go? Who will going to bowl the next over? 3 over 17. Harshad once again this time. Totally beat ho gaye. This you can see the action replay. If you're coming down the track, you should play at the long off region, but he's looking to play at long on, and that's why. Across line खेलने गए, totally beat हो गए. Short pitch ball this time. Good bowling, good fielding, good stop. Excellent stop. Can we have the fielder name who stopped that? That's gone high in the air. Safe landing, only single. "19 runs on the board. Team Altus. No wicket yet. Digital connection looking for the wicket. Oh. ये क्या हो रहा है? Chance! What is this happening? Comedy of errors. It's like the leg contacted first to the stumps. And how many runs? 2 runs taken or 1 run? Only a single run. That's what the power dedication we talked about in the previous one also. खुद को पूरी तरह से समर्पण कर दिया है ऑन द फील्ड. और यही है क्रिकेट की खासियत, द ब्यूटी ऑफ क्रिकेट. नो टेंशन एट ऑल. Keep your phone aside, laptop, only cricket ball, cricket bat. 3.4, 20 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. Team Altus. We have the umpires at 2. Okay, we have an important announcement, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So dinner is on. The dinner is ready to serve. So जल्द से जल्द भोजन के लिए गर्दी करिए. Come on, let's go. So dinner is on. You can have it, and dinner is ready to serve. Thank you very much. Brookfield Premier League 2025 का ये मैच है जारी. सारे प्लेयर्स लग रहे हैं लय भारी. We have the umpire, Siddesh and Rohit. They have something with the setting up the stumps. Second match. It's a bit of silence in the crowd and everywhere. Setting up the stump, something's happening there. Second match in progress of the Brookfield Premier League. What a start. The first match, Clean Max, the winner of the first match. And I will tell you the Ratik was the man of the match of the first match. Bowling bhi bhari, batting bhi bhari, sab kuch lay bhari. 20-14 with 4-6 and 2 runs and 12 runs given. Awarded as a man of the match. POTM we call in modern format. POTM, player of the match. And the second match in progress. Okay, we all set to start the play on. Resume. Harshad ready to bowl. Is very good bowling. Only 7 runs conceded, 1.4. And that's the magic of the medium pace bowling. Confused the batsman totally. Let's see what Harshad can do, something special, or Kalpesh. This time bowling the fuller. Completely missed it. And that's very good bowling. One more dot. And coming up the last ball of the fourth. 20 run हो चुके हैं. Tossed up delivery. और यहाँ पर wicket. मिला है wicket. Look at the excitement. Look at the celebration from Harshad. You know what the importance is. Celebrating the first wicket. OUT, that's out. पहले विकेट की पतन 4 ओवर के बाद 20 पर 1 टीम ऑल्टस. चार ओवर के बाद 20 पर 1 एंड Harshad, excellent bowling. 2 overs. He completed his 2 over spell. 7 for 1. Can we have a big round of applause for Harshad? Excellent bowling. Excellent bowling. मात्र 7 रन दिए हैं 2 ओवर में, 1 विकेट और बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट विकेट. इनके स्पेल के लास्ट बॉल में उन्होंने विकेट लिया है. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हार मानी नहीं है. लास्ट बॉल में विकेट लूंगा, ले लिया. क्या बात है. A request for one representative from the team batting team to avoid the delay to contact with the scorer. They can sit beside with the scorer. One extra player from team batting team alters. We need the batsman name, bowler's name to avoid the delay. I request from that's gone high in the air. And taken, well balanced catch. And that's what you're prepared for to take that catch. That's running gone. And going that. Oh, what a good catch. That's a very low take. Low catch, good effort. 100 marks for the effort. दूसरे विकेट की पतन. Back-to-back wickets fall of Team Altus. And that's we were talking about the comeback. Runs बनाए हैं, विकेट की तलाश थी. और back-to-back यहाँ पे मिला विकेट. अजब गजब है डिजिटल कनेक्शन का क्रिकेट. I request once again, please, one player from the team batting team to contact with the scorer. We need a coordination. So for each and every match, one extra player from team batting team, bowling team. He can sit beside with the scorer to coordinate. That will avoid that. See, this is the delay happening. So to avoid this delay, please send proactively from the start of the match one extra player with the scorer. Thank you very much. 4.1 पर 2. शशांक ने भी अच्छी शुरुआत की है. पहले गेम में विकेट लेने में कामयाब हुए हैं. क्या वो हर्षद की स्ट्रैटेजी अपनाएंगे शशांक? Very well left, but what's umpire's call? Umpire is checking. It's a no ball. Free hit coming up. It's now time to come back, Team Altus. Though they lost the wicket, but now it's the bonus. It's the free hit. The license is on. Hit anywhere. Get your runs on the board. That's a confidence hitting down the track. But how many runs? You can see the action replay. Good confidence, good. That's a confidence hitting down the track. But the umpire is having confirmation with the scorer. Can we please, team management can help? Okay, that will go for 4 runs. 4 run, damdar 4. Again down the track, high in the air. Taken. तो ये है क्रिकेट का खेल. अजब गजब खेल. ना तलवार, ना शस्त्र, ना दोस्त, ना मित्र. ये खेल है बड़ा विचित्र. Again down the track, high in the air. That's gone miles in the air and very well taken. Good catch taken by Sanjog at long on. 4.3, 25 पे 3, Team Altus.
What a shot. Okay, I think they'll have to satisfy on. Are they going for the second one? No. तो सुलेमान भाई ने यहां पर एक रन लगा दिए हैं. Beautiful. What a shot. It went too high. I
In the
think
sky.
they'll have to
satisfy on.
What a fitness Mr. Harshad has. The way he ran towards the ball, that was commendable. Anusha on the strike. Okay, there's some changing in the placement of the field now. She missed this. No problem. 26 रन so far. 4.5 ओवर 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर. And there's 2 dot balls. What a over this has been. 2 wickets, just 6 runs. And after 5 overs, Alt is on 26 on the loss of 3 wickets. What's up? Coming. You're not playing this year? You're not playing? Playing tomorrow, yeah? Good to see you, man. पिछले साल से हाइट भी बढ़ गई है आपकी थोड़ी ज्यादा. अच्छे लग रहे हो मेरे भाई. Suleiman on the striker's end. Hey, it's a wicket. It's a wicket. Suleiman gonna be going in the dugout. ऑन द फर्स्ट बॉल यार, पहली गेंद पर जब विकेट आने की जो खुशी होती है, वो अगले 5 बॉल का प्रेशर थोड़ा सा रिलीज हो जाता है एक बॉलर के सिर से. स्टांस काफी अच्छा था, बॉल मिस किए और क्रेडिट जाता है बॉलर को. Sanjog, of course, last year also he performed really well. He is a good bowler. He's a good cricketer, in fact. Well, ये मैंने काफी style देखा है. The helicopter shot again it was a grounded one. He kept that ball. He asked that ball to stay humble.
Manish, different batsman and has a bit different batter indeed, we can say. Have a different strategy of batting. बस runs आने चाहिए, कैप्टन कहते हैं. Runs लाओ.
कुछ भी करो, runs लाओ.
That's a swing and a miss.
Beautiful bowling यार, beautiful bowling. चकमा दिया है यहाँ पर बैट्समैन को. पूरे ओवर में मोमेंटम बरकरार रखा है इन्होंने. बड़ा ही टाइट ओवर. Just 3 runs so far from this over. The last ball of this over now.
Yeah, that was really good bowling. Bowling fuller and only a single.
We are okay unless and until camera is on us. यार मेरा एक सपना है मेरा ये आई नीड अ फिजिक लाइक अनुज भाई. लेट मी से दिस. नजर ना लगे बड़े प्यारे लगा. यू गॉट रियली अरे यार सर वी लुक अप टू यू एंड आई रियली मीन इट व्हेन आई से दिस. ना लगे बड़े प्यारे. Okay, I think that's a wicket. Am I missing on that? What is really going here? Lot of discussions in between the field. Okay, there's an appeal from Team Digital Connection. Waiting for the decisions from the umpire. Just waiting for the decisions from the third umpire, and it is declared as a wicket. क्या ये सोची समझी साजिश थी क्या? देखिए जो भी था. Altius is playing smart.
Yeah, absolutely well said. Because strategy, if you make a clear strategy, then you'll get a runs. वो कहते हैं lead लाओ runs बनेंगे.
Aha. And up high in the air, and it's a wicket. ये इन्हें उल्टा पड़ गया मेरे भाई. एंड यहाँ पर गई विकेट. डगआउट में आते हुए विशाल भाई.
Yes, Shreya strikes very first ball. क्या बात.
ये उल्टा पड़ गया इनके लिए.
वो कहते हैं मनीष एक नारी पड़ गई भारी नाश्ता में खाया था बटर खारी.
I think that's unhealthy, bro. It's good to joke on the khari. The khari I'm talking about. She's still traumatized. ये क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पर?
Look at the strategy of Shreya.
Come on,
Manish.
come on. Yeah, she's got a wicket, and that was a very important wicket that she got.
Manish, it was going just outside the option line, but still the batsman has attempted to play that shot, but swing and a miss. But nevertheless, they got a run. They're having something discussion with the umpire. Umpire, we have a professionalism umpire is going on. Siddesh. Short pitch ball and being played. Just, and this is the fielder को वो परेशानी होती है. टेनिस बॉल है उड़ जाता है. One bounce and going over. So coming up more. 2 runs added? Yes, 2 runs added. And the coming up last 3 balls of the first innings. What's the umpire's call? A big shout for the wicket keeper. What the square leg umpire says. It's a dot ball. Good bowling from Shreya. What a start. She's making restrict Team Altus in the final over of the first innings. मात्र 4 रन दिए हैं 4 गेंदों में. एक विकेट मिला है उनको. आखिरी 2 गेंद पहली पारी. 33 on the board.
Okay. Will that be a catch? It's a catch! It's a catch! What a match! And you say catches wins the matches. Will that
Absolutely. Matches and Shreya got 1 more wicket.
Okay, with that, may I request The captain of Team PIL and the captain of Team Brookfield Properties Bravehearts to please come at the presentation area. The captain of both the teams to please join us.
So Manish, interesting to watch. Last ball of the innings. Can Shreya will hit, or let's see if we're gonna see a big hit from Team Altus. यहाँ पर पहले से ही जगह बनाई थी, लेकिन it's like the fair delivery. Can we have a big round of applause to Shreya? मात्र 4 रन दिए हैं, 2 विकेट छटकाए हैं.
Kaptan Sahab, Anush sir, can you please join us? From PIL, can I have the captain of Team PIL? Panthers, can you please? Okay, thank you.
So target of
Vishnu
34.
Mishra, please join us.
Okay, Manish, over to you.
What's up? All right. Okay, मैच डिजिटल कनेक्शन क्या मैच खेला है मेरे भाई मजा ही आ गया It's good to witness such amazing matches. And moving on to the next. On the right hand side, we've got the runner up of the last year. High five. PIL Panthers on the right, and the man with an amazing physique on the left. Anush Bhai from team Brookfield Properties Braveheart. Moving on to the toss ka boss. We've got Shiva sir along with us. Heads. So Vishnu Bhai will give the call. Heads is the call and tails it is. So congratulations. Anush Bhai, you're winning the toss. What would you like to opt for?
We would like to bowl. We would like to bowl first. See, we're going to play our best, and there is a total in mind which I wouldn't want to reveal. But they are a good team, and we are aware that they are a good team. We've observed them in the past. We are going to play on their basics. We are going to play our best and make sure that we win the match.
And any changes in the team from last year? Because मैं काफी similar faces तो देख रहा हूँ, but कुछ change भी हुए हैं. So,
हाँ जी, कुछ change हुए हैं. As a matter of fact, कुछ all-rounders हमारे साथ में जुड़े हैं. So that's a very good thing with us. And as I always say that let the best team. PIL is a very, so it's going to be a tough fight. So all the best to them.
okay. तो अगर आप टॉस जीतते तो आप क्या लेते?
हम भी फील्डिंग का ही करते बिकॉज नहीं बैटिंग है हमारा बैटिंग हम लोग ट्राई टू मेक द रन्स देन देखते हैं कैसे
ये बोलते कम है करते ज्यादा है कारनामा फील्ड पर बिकॉज आई नो देम दे आर रियली गुड व्हेन इट कम्स टू क्रिकेट और जज्बा यहाँ पर भी कम नहीं है. So at the end of the day, what really matters is the enjoyment, the excitement, and a good cricket. All the best, gentlemen, and thank you so much, Anush bhai. Thank you. And Brookfield Properties versus PIL. Brookfield Properties Bravehearts have won the toss and they've opted to bowl. देखते हैं होता क्या है, but उसके पहले second inning ये मजे कर लेते हैं. Over to the combox.
Thank you, Manish. Second match, first inning completion. Team Altus, 7 overs, 33 on the board, 34 the target for the team Digital Connection.
Digital connection हो जाए.
Absolutely well said. Digital ज़माना है तो digital connection. क्या बात. 34 to win for team Digital Connection. It's not a big target, but still, let's see who will try that efficient, effective bowler to defend that 33 score. Yes, the excitement is on. The dugout from Team Digital Connection, really bold willed, 7 wickets. And in the format of the limited overs of 7 overs, it's very, very effective bowling done by Digital Connection. Now it's time. After Altus, 34 to chase. Okay, the shout out is on. We have the batsman ready. Okay. 3, 2, 1, game on. First ball, short pitch ball being pulled away, square left, and that's a wicket. Would you believe it? What happened there? ये कैसे हो गया? पहली गेंद पर विकेट. अजब गजब cricket. Expectation level was high, but a good fielding setup there by Team Altus. शॉर्ट पिच बॉल पुल किया था, गेंद को गुल करना चाहते थे, लेकिन what a good catch there at square leg region. पहला बॉल पहले हीरो बन गए अतुल जादव. Good catch again by Datta. Now the bowling queen, now with the batting, now with the bat. Let's see. Shreya on strike. Okay, no issue. Correction kariye scorer. Akshay on strike. Yes. Look at the cheer from dugout. एक रन लिया है. क्या बात है अक्षय. So the equation says we have the correction. We'll confirm soon. This time high in the air, and that will count. How many runs? Okay, that's the correction. Now the score is updated. 3 balls, 2 for 1. The equation says 39 balls and 32 runs needed. Can be an easy chase, but Team Altus ऐसे नहीं छोड़ेंगे. पूरी जी जान लगाएंगे. Let's see. Oh, just going outside the off-stump line for wide. Trying to bowl. It's like the ball is just slipped from the bowler. And that's why I went outside the off-stump line, very much wide. Only wide. No single. So extras adding. Total is 4 for 1. Is that correct? We'll have a correction with the scorer. Is 3 for 1? No, we have something correction. It's 3 for 1 after 3 balls being bowled. First ball was wicket, second ball was single, third ball was single, then the wide, then run. Then 4 ball 4 पर 1. जो वाइड गेंद गई थी उसमें 1 रन नहीं आया था. Oh, that's very lucky. Up and over the fielder. देखिए, यही है क्रिकेट का खेल. एक रन है जरूरी, क्योंकि कहते हैं एक रन तिनका जोड़े जा, जो भी मिला उसे ओढ़े जा, जिंदगी चली जाए किसी के वास्ते, हम तो चले बस क्रिकेट के रास्ते. That's the strategy of playing cricket. तिनका एक रन. And that's being pulled. इन्होंने रोहित शर्मा की याद दिला दी है, क्या पुल शॉट किया है, बट मिलेंगे 1 रन. एंड ऑफ द ओवर, गुड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अतुल. 1 ओवर 6 पर 1 being pulled. डिजिटल कनेक्शन.
इन्होंने रोहित शर्मा
36 गेंदों में 28 रन की दरकार है. देखना होगा किसकी सरकार है. After 1 over 6 for 1, 28 to get from 36. What an excitement here. Everyone is enjoying the every moment of the Brookfield Premier League Season 5. The match number. Match number 2 is on. And now discussion happening between Akshaya and Sanjog. मंत्र क्या रहेगा? कौर बोल और वो जीत बो. करेंगे, लड़ेंगे और जीतेंगे. On who will bowl the next over? It's Gaurav Gurav. G square. G factor. क्या good luck factor लेके आएंगे गौरव? Oh, looking to play, swinging the bat, but swing and a miss. Straight to the wicket keeper, no runs. Message to the bowler. Bowl is simple. This is a chance to get the Gaurav to get. He can defend as money. He can. Sent back. No runs, straight to the fielder. .3 it's 6 for 1, 33 balls and 28 to get, the equation says. That's much better, that's much better. So can we have a big round of applause to Akshay? Yeah. 2 runs, but every run counts in cricket. Okay, there are 2 more runs added. Yes, as per the rule book. The score is 8 for 1. Smartly flicked. Direct hit. What's the umpire's call? Oh! That's coming back in the crease in the time. Only a single. Last ball coming up the second. Just going down the leg side, and look at the excitement in the digital connection dugout. 24 to get from 31. Only 2 runs conceded. That's gone high in the air. Only a single to end of the over. 2 ओवर के बाद 11 पर 1, 30 गेंदों में 23 रन की जरूरत फॉर टीम डिजिटल कनेक्शन. We have Surendra in the bowling attack. Oh, that's good bowling. A big shout straight to the square leg umpire from the wicket keeper. Excellent bowling. Looking to slice down there towards point. Completely missed it. We have Harshad now with the bat at the non-striker end. Sanjog. Harshad really bowled well. 2 wickets, 7 runs in the first innings. That's played high, leg side region. How many runs? One
2
run
wickets.
added. 7 runs in the
Awesome.
Here you can see the action replay in ultra slow motion. That's played high.
Leg side
With that 1 run adding, the equation says 28 गेंदों में 22 रन की सरकार. That's a very good placement. Sensible batting from Sanjog. Not every ball you need to hit. Sensible batting, simple batting and easy striking. 27 गेंदों में 22 रन की दरकार for team Digital Connection.
All right. What a match. What a shot. What a shot. थर्ड मैन की तरफ भेजा था, बड़े प्यार से सम्मान किया था उस गेंद का. एनर्जेटिक एचडी. एनर्जेटिक एचडी, क्या बात है. अच्छा, एचडी. नाउ आई अंडरस्टूड व्हाई दे आर कॉलिंग हिम एचडी. सॉरी, मैं थोड़ा सा ट्यूबलाइट हो गया आज. ओके, सो आफ्टर 3 ओवर्स 15 रन, 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर 19 रन्स की दरकार महज 24 गेंदों में. देखते हैं क्या ये मैच जीते हैं. हाँ, जितना कॉन्फिडेंस लग रहा है. 3 ओवर बड़ा ही सिंपल गेम रखा है. वेल, एक्चुअली Harshad bhai is very energetic. The way he ran towards the ball when it was his fielding scenes, he's really good at it.
Yeah, Manish, Harshad really bowled well. 2 overs, only 7 runs conceded, and he's got 2 wickets. 2 wickets, or 1 wicket. 1 wicket. That what he bowled, and now he has license with the bat. Let's see. Cutting to the offside region, short pitch ball, playing up and over, but only a single run added. 18 to get from 23 for Digital Connection. 16 पर 1.
What
This
a
time-
shot!
What a slice.
Beautiful cover drive. What a beautiful shot. Slice shot, हाँ ठीक है. Bro, I'm still learning, bro. That's okay. मुझे लगता है कवर ड्राइव मुझे अगर बोलने आ गया वही मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है. But so where is the cover drive? Where do you play the cover drive? You can just tell me.
If you play a square, this is like this. It's a cover drive.
Oh, yeah. Will that be a catch? Will that be a catch? No, unfortunately not. Well, there's an appeal, but umpires doesn't seems interested in that.
And I tell you, I let you know that cover drive specialists, we had only 2 batters from India, Virat Kohli and the legend, the god, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar.
Oh, big names.
This is sensible again, a slice cut.
Slice cut. You know, they are waiting for the ball to come in their region They are playing it.
Different techniques is used,
But they should know there is only 6 in the front in this match.
but it's like
Or a boundaries, yeah.
because many balls are left and less runs, so no need for a big one.
But
Could
again,
be.
it's their strategy, brother, because it's 14 runs and 20 balls. They know. Run to bowl, just make it.
Was that an outside edge? Oh, that was a chance for the catch. He didn't collect it.
And PIL Panthers gearing up for the next match. The young boys into the scenes, looking at each other, smiling. कि हम ही जीतने वाले हैं.
Yeah, absolutely. We have. Doesn't age matters. All the young boys and girls are playing.
Of course, neither age, neither gender. It's all about the jazba, spirit.
And this time up and over, but the fielder will take a simple catch. वो कहते हैं मनीष इनके हाथों में मोतीचूर का लड्डू थमा दिया है. Simple catch. And this time
और उस इंसान के हाथ में दिया है जो ऑलरेडी बहुत अच्छा फील्डर है. He caught really well.
still trying the level best team Altus to get in the match. End of the over number 4, it's 20 for 2, 14 to get from 18 balls. It doesn't matter, many balls left, scores are less. Both the teams trying the level best.
यार मैं बताता हूँ ये 7 दिन या 8 दिन जब ब्रूकफील्ड प्रीमियर लीग होता है ना यार एक फेस्टिवल सा है ये 7 दिन. इट्स लाइक अ कार्निवल. लुक एट द एक्साइटमेंट, लुक एट द हैप्पीनेस. एक स्ट्रेस बस्टर है. I think nothing could be better than this when it comes to a BPL, the Brookfield Premier League.
Yes, बिल्कुल. इनके लिए मैं सारे प्लेयर्स के लिए कहना चाहूँगा कि फूल खिलते हैं, दिल मिलते हैं और आपके जैसे व्यक्ति बड़ी मुश्किल से मिलते हैं.
वाह 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 वाह. 2 बेहोश हो गए 2 लोग वहां पे. अच्छा था भाई, बहुत अच्छा था. वेरी नाइस. कॉम बॉक्स में मुशायरा. एंड यहां पर नेक्स्ट बॉल. क्या होगा अंपायर का इशारा. नो बॉल स्ट्रेट. नो बॉल का इशारा और यहां पर मिलेंगे इन ए फ्री हिट. And it's a free hit. What a beautiful bowling. That was a beautiful Yorker by Mr. Surendra. What a ball, yaar. What a beauty. What a ball.
Very good stop.
और यहाँ पे अपने प्लेयर का हौसला अफजाई करते हुए एनर्जेटिक एचडी.
And that is very essential. मनीष. क्योंकि जहाँ एनर्जी वहाँ सिनर्जी.
अरे क्या बात है.
तो ये कहते हैं मनीष शॉर्ट पिच बॉल पुल कर दिया, गेंद को गुल कर दिया. बट मिलेंगे ओनली अ सिंगल. Only 10 runs needed, 15 balls and digital connection. Oh my God, what happened there? They have something correction.
He's working on his mathematics. Hold on, guys. He's working on it. Even he'll have a comeback Allow us few seconds.
There was a chance in the follow through to take that catch. He had attempted with the one hand to take, but couldn't get hold of it. Single.
Now require 9 runs in 14 balls. Six, क्या बात है?
Sixer! बेहतरीन, दमदार, शानदार, धमाकेदार.
और यहाँ पे खुश है मेरा भाई मंदार. फुल पावर. क्या था मंदार भाई? अरे आई लव दिस एनर्जी ऑलरेडी. ये पहला दिन है और देख रहे हो मैडनेस कितनी सारी, कितना सारा एक्साइटमेंट. Is that a catch? Just waiting for the umpire's call. Well, the captain himself is going to take the lead now. That's a wicket. Look at the smile. 24 कैरेट है भाई ये स्माइल. कोई मिलावट नहीं है इसमें.
So that's end of the over number 5, 31 for 3, just 3 runs. So Manish, it's just a winning shot coming up. Okay, let's come back to the match. Manish, it's like a silence before a storm for the team. Digital connection. Excitement देखिए. इस बार खेल दिया है सीधे फिल्टर के पास और
तो
यहाँ पर होंगे आउट.
It's not the silence, bro. It's the confidence.
Excitement देखिए.
What digital connection has.
इस बार
खेल दिया है सीधे फील्डर के पास और
Finally, she wanted to have the camera and she has it now. ये बोलना नहीं था. Oh. Okay.
Okay, so Manish, it's 1 run needed now. Yes.
It's a tie. क्या लगता है कौन जीतेगा? Of course. Oh my God, look at the shot. Amazing. What an end to this inning. From the boundary. Batsman को मिला मौका, उसने मारा चौका और पार कर दिया अपना नौका. जीत चुके हैं
क्या
ये.
बात है.
Oh my-
look at the shot. Oh
बड़े रैंडमली आता है कभी कभी.
Okay, that's end of the match. You can see डिजिटल कनेक्शन